running a whole school from paper files, spreadsheets, and a dozen WhatsApp groups. It's exhausting, and things slip through the cracks, but there's a calmer way, and it's called AfrikSabify. With us, your entire school opens on one dashboard. The moment you log in, you see it all: how many students you have, your teaching staff, your classes, and exactly how much of your fees you've collected. Everything at a glance. Your people are all in one place too. Every student sits in a clean directory, and every teacher is invited and assigned to their classes. No more chasing paper around the staff room. And grading? You enter each score once. From there, AfrikSabify calculates the averages, works out the rankings, and generates professional branded report cards for you automatically. Talking to parents is just as easy. You write one message and it goes out by email, by SMS, and by WhatsApp all at once, and you see exactly who received it. And it doesn't stop at running the school. AfrikSabify's AI even helps you fill it. It goes and finds new families for you on Google Maps and on the web. So bring your whole school into one calm, simple place. Start your free 30-day trial today. AfrikSabify.com